Hi friends, welcome to my video. In this video, we are going to say about protoplasts. Protoplasts are produced from gram-positive bacteria. A protoplast is that portion of a bacterial cell consisting of the cytoplasmic membrane and the cell material bounded by it. Protoplasts can be prepared from gram-positive bacteria by treating the cells with an enzyme such as lysozyme, which selectively dissolves the cell wall, or by culturing the bacteria in the presence of an antibiotic such as penicillin, which prevents the formation of the cell wall. In either case, the osmotic pressure of the medium must be sufficiently high to protect the organisms from bursting. Osmotically protected protoplasts are soft and fragile and are spherical regardless of the original shape of the cell. Up to this, we learnt what are protoplasts.